Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, has reported that the annual point-to-point inflation rate in Jamaica at December 2019 was 6.2%. This represents a sharp jump when compared with the 3.4% recorded at September 2019. In a release last Friday, the Bank of Jamaica BOJ says this inflation outturn was not anticipated and was higher than the bank's target of 4 to 6%. The higher inflation rate was primarily influenced by faster increases in food and energy-related prices in the Consumer Price Index. The BOJ notes that despite the higher headline inflation, underlying inflation, which excludes the immediate influence of agriculture and energy prices, remained stable and below 3%. At December 2019, the annual rate for this measure was 2.9%, which was unchanged compared with the rate at September 2019. The BOJ says this underscores that the economy continues to reflect some slack with economic growth below its potential. It also highlights that the jump in inflation is likely to be temporary, as expected tempered movements in agricultural prices dampen inflation over the next 3 to 6 months. Supreme Ventures has completed its acquisition of Champion Gaming Limited. Supreme Ventures announced on December 20 that it has plans to acquire the company's assets through its subsidiary, Bingo Investments. The acquisition allows Supreme Ventures to enter into a new segment of the gaming industry. Last year, the company acquired a controlling interest in post-to-post betting company and expanded its services to Guyana. Chairman of Canopy Insurance, Don Webby, says the company is already making strides in the health and insurance business within the first 2 months of operations. Mr. Webby was speaking at the official launch of the company recently.
We knew we had to enter the market with a value proposition that was first class. So we embarked on a journey to create a more innovative, more consumer-centric, and more solution-oriented provider. We also had to ensure that we embraced all our stakeholders. We have started to see encouraging signs of growth, with key accounts being signed and even more promising deals to be on the horizon.
And Canopy's Managing Director, Sean Scott, explains that the company is well on its way to rival some of the more established insurance brands.
We began in October with 6,000 individuals, the employees and families of our shareholder groups, numbering just about over 6,000. And with the encouragement of the broker community in November, we began to receive requests for proposals from the market. And I am extremely proud to report that in just 2 short months, Canopy's membership has grown over 60% to 10,000 members.
In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 1,646 points to close at under 500,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 78 stocks, of which 37 advanced, 34 declined, and 7 traded firm. The Junior Market Index advanced by 26 points to close at over 3,000 units. Stocks advanced for 138 Student Living, 1834 Investments, CAC 2000, Caribbean Cream, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. Stocks declined for Access Financial Services, MG Packaging and Paper, Burrito Investments, Berger Paints Jamaica, and Blue Power Group. Trading firm were Epley Limited 8.25%, JMMB Group 5.75%, JMMB Group 7.50%, QWI Investments, and Sagicor Select Funds. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial was the volume leader with 5.6 million units, followed by Wigton Wind Farm Limited Ordinary Shares with over 3 million units, and Sagicor Select Funds Limited Manufacturing and Distribution with And news in oil. Oil prices rose to their highest in more than a week on Monday after two large crude production bases in Libya began shutting down amid a military blockade, risking reducing crude flows from the OPEC member to a trickle. Brent crude futures gained 51 cents to $65.36 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures rose 27 cents to $58.81 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.